Hello, I am Mrs. Manisha Khaire, Faculty of Rasiklal M. Dhariwal College of Pharmacy, continues with the Part 2 of Drug and Cosmetic Act 1940. Drug Technical Advisory Board, that is DTAB. Under the provision of the Act, the central government appoints the Drug Technical Advisory Board to advise the central and state government on technical matters arising out of administration of this Act and to carry out other functions assigned to it by this Act. Constitution of DTAB. The board consists of following members: ex officio members, nominated members, and elected members. Ex officio members: first, the Director General of Health Services, who is the chairman of the board. Second, Drug Controller of India. Third, Director of the Central Drug Laboratory, Kolkata. Fourth, Director of the Central Research Institute, Kasoli. Fifth, Director of the Indian Veterinary Research Institute, Izatnagar. Sixth, Director of Central Drug Research Institute, Lucknow. 7. The President of Pharmacy Council of India, and 8. The President of Medical Council of India. Nominated members. These members are nominated by central government. First, 2 persons from ex officio members who are in charge of the drug control in the states, 1 person from the pharmaceutical industry, and 2 government analysts. Elected members. First, a teacher in pharmacy, pharmaceutical chemistry, or pharmacography, or the staff of an university or affiliated college elected by the Executive Committee of Pharmacy Council of India. Next, a teacher in medicine or therapeutics or the staff of an university or affiliated college elected by the Executive Committee of the Medical Council of India. Next, 1 pharmacologist elected by the governing body of the Indian Council of Medical Research. Next, 1 person elected by the Central Council of Indian Medical Association. And last, 1 person which is elected by Council of the Indian Pharmaceutical Association. Then nominated or elected member, they holds the office for 3 years and are eligible for renomination and re-election. Central government, they appoints a secretary of the board and also provides clerical and other staff. The Drug Technical Advisory Board may constitute subcommittees and may appoint persons to such subcommittees who are not the members of the board. There is a separate Ayurvedic and Unani Drug Technical Advisory Board constituted under the section 33C of this Act. Drug Consultative Committee. It is the advisory committee constituted by central government to advise the central and state governments and the Drug Technical Advisory Board on any matter to secure uniformity throughout India in the administration of this Act. Constitution, it consists of 2 representatives of central government nominated by central government and 1 representative of each state government nominated by the concerned government. There is separate Ayurvedic, Siddha and Unani Drug Consultative Committee. Central Drug Laboratory, that is CDL. The central government established a Central Drug Laboratory, Kolkata, under the control of Director. Functions: first, to analyze or test the sample of drugs or cosmetic sent it to by first custom collector or any authorized officer and court. Second function, to carry out such other duties given by the central government with the permission of central government after consultation with the Drug Technical Advisory Board. Next function, in case of the following drugs or classes of drug, functions of CTL are carried out at Central Research Institute, Kasoli, and are exercised by the director of that institute. Sera, vaccines, toxins, antigen, antitoxin, solution of serum proteins for injection, and sterilized surgical ligatures and sutures. Fourth function, the functions regarding oral polio vaccines are exercised by the Deputy Director and Head of the Polio Vaccine Testing Laboratory of Central Research Institute, Kasoli. In case of the following drugs or classes of drug, functions of CDL are carried out at the Indian Veterinary Research Institute, Izhatnagar or Mukteshwar, and are exercised by the director of the institutions. For example, antisera, vaccines, toxoids, and diagnostic antigen for veterinary use. In case of condoms, the functions of CDL are carried out at the Central Indian Pharmacopoeia Laboratory, Ghaziabad, and are exercised by the director of the said laboratory. In case of VDRL antigen, that is venereal diseases, the functions of the CDL are carried out at the laboratory of the serologist and chemical examiner to the Government of India, Calcutta. Such functions are exercised by the serologist and chemical examiner of the said laboratory. In respect of intrauterine devices and fallopian rings, the functions of laboratory shall be exercised out at Department of Biochemical Engineering, Indian Institute of Technology, New Delhi, and such functions shall be exercised by the head of the said department. Then we will see dispatch of samples for test or analysis to CDL. Samples for test or analysis by codes are to be sent by registered post in a sealed packet marked with a distinguishing number with a memorandum in Form 1 accompanied with prescribed fee to the director. Second, a specimen impression of the seal used to seal the packet and a copy of memorandum in Form 1 are to be sent separately by registered post. On receipt of the packet, authorized officer on behalf of the director opens the packet and records the condition of the seal on the packet. Then, after completion of the test or analysis, the report is supplied in Form 2 together with full protocol of the test applied. And certificate regarding the reports is to be signed by director or the authorized officer on his behalf. Thank you.